Hey, my name's Gina Perkes and I'm an avid quilter. I've been quilting for over 25 years now, and in that time I have written books, I've taught all over the country, I've opened up a quilt shop, and I now develop tools for quilters like rulers for machine quilting, and I also write patterns. I love the craft of quilt making and love to share the techniques that I've developed. I'm very excited to be teaching at the first AQS Seam Quilt Retreat that's going to be held next year in Paducah, Kentucky. I hope you'll look at the classes that I'll be offering on October 7th through the 12th. And for more information about the retreat and those classes, you can visit AmericanQuilter.com.